We'll guide you through how to choose between Namecheap and Squarespace. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Namecheap website. Namecheap is primarily a domain registrar, but it also offers web hosting services. If your main focus is getting a domain name, Namecheap is known for its affordability and user-friendly interface. You can search for your desired domain using their search bar. They have competitive prices, especially for .com domains, and often have promotions or discounts. Once you find a domain, you can easily purchase it and manage your domains through their dashboard. They also offer various hosting plans if you need web hosting, but their main strength is in domain registration. Now, let's look at Squarespace. Open the Squarespace website. Squarespace is an all-in-one website building and hosting platform. It's ideal for people who want to create a professional-looking website without needing to know how to code. They offer beautifully designed templates and easy-to-use drag-and-drop tools. If website design and aesthetics are important to you, Squarespace is a great choice. They handle both the hosting and the domain registration if you choose to go that route. Squarespace also includes features like integrated e-commerce, marketing tools, and analytics, which are perfect for business websites or online stores. Consider what your priorities are. If you need a simple, affordable domain registrar with some hosting options, Namecheap is the way to go. If you want a complete website solution with design tools and hosting included, Squarespace could be your best option. Remember that you can always use Namecheap for domain registration and connect that domain to a Squarespace site if you prefer Squarespace's design capabilities. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.